In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect Discord text using developer tools. Inspecting Discord text simply means using your browser's developer tools to view the underlying structure of text and other interface elements. This feature is commonly used for learning how web pages are built, testing layouts, or temporarily changing what you see on your own screen. It's important to remember that any changes you make through developer tools are only visible locally and do not actually edit messages on Discord or affect what other people see. To get started, open Discord in your preferred web browser and sign in to your account. This method works through the web version of Discord, so make sure you're using Discord in your browser rather than the desktop application. Once you've logged in, navigate to the server or conversation containing the text you want to inspect. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and I on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens your browser's developer tools. After the developer tools panel appears, locate and click the element selection tool, which is represented by an arrow or cursor icon. This tool allows you to select specific elements directly from the Discord page. Now move your cursor over the message or text you want to inspect. As you hover over different parts of the page, you'll notice that individual elements become highlighted. Once you've found the text you want to inspect, click on it. The corresponding section of code will automatically be highlighted inside the Developer Tools panel. To temporarily change the displayed text, double-click the text value inside the highlighted code. You can then delete the existing text and replace it with anything you'd like. After entering your new text, press Enter to apply the change. You'll immediately see the message update on your screen. For example, if the original message displayed the word hello, you can temporarily change it to another word or phrase. Keep in mind that this only changes what you see in your browser. The original message remains unchanged on Discord's servers, and everyone else will continue to see the original text. Once you're finished, you can simply close the Developer Tools panel. If you refresh the page or reopen Discord, the temporary changes will disappear, and the original message will be displayed again. Inspecting text with developer tools is a useful way to learn how Discord's web interface is structured and how web pages display content. It can also be helpful for testing, learning, and understanding how different elements are presented within the browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,